I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about a new DIY that I absolutely love and I've heard great things about, and it's called the DIY Lip Balm Kit from Balm Diggity Lips. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to make your own Balm Diggity lip balm, then just keep watching this video. So the first thing that we are supposed to do is use a jumbo stick to place a heaping tablespoon of the balm paste. I don't have a 1 teaspoon, so I'm using a 1/2 teaspoon. Use pipette to add 1 milliliter flavor to your cup and stir. So I'm going to use this one for my husband, Bavarian cream. You guys, this smells amazing. He's gonna like this one. And then it says melt in microwave for 45 to 60 seconds. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let that one sit because I wanna do another one at the same time. I'm gonna do this one with cherry because I want some cherry. I'm still gonna have these wait. I wanted to show you guys another trick if you guys are interested. So you can use your favorite lipstick and cut off some shavings of the lipstick and put it in with your chapstick balm. So if you wanted to get a little bit more of a color on your lips, you can totally do it. Since this literally has taken me less than 2 minutes to do. Again, I'm gonna use the lip balm base. I'm gonna use this Estee Lauder Pure Color Barely Nude Cream, and because fall is coming, I'm just all about fall stuff right now, so let's just squash the rest of summer, even though technically my birthday's in a week, but I'm kind of like past it. Cut off some shavings. We're gonna melt it when we melt all the other stuff, and then I'm gonna put in the color of this into my balm, so hopefully when it melts and it's frozen and when I try to use it, it gives a little bit of color to my lips versus just having them clear. Now it does not say how much shaving you should do, so I'm just gonna do a good amount because I definitely want it to have some color to my lips. And this is optional. You guys can just keep doing regular chapstick if you want, but I like the fact that you're getting an extra tip and trick. And this is like super awesome to me because I like the fact that this is really girly. I have 4 chapsticks, so I got 1 for Reese, mine, which is cherry flavor. Then you have my regular balm that has the Bare Nude lipstick shaving. I went and melted mine and Reese's. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna use the chapsticks that we got. It came like this. I think there's about 10 in the kit, and I'm just going to bend the cup, pour it in. Woo. And there's 1. They say that once you're done, you would put them either in the freezer for 10 minutes or let it sit on the counter for 45. But we're definitely going to put them in the freezer. That easy, you guys. So now while we're waiting for these ones to dry, we're gonna put these ones in the freezer, and then we're gonna do these ones. So I just put both of the lipsticks in the microwave. This one I wanted to do with the orange oil, and then this one I wanted to do with the peppermint oil. It does not say you cannot do this, so I'm just gonna see if it works. Just be careful, these get super hot really quick. Oh, look at that, it's like a science experiment. Ooh, yes, girl, over here making my own chapstick science experiments. All right, so that looks really good. It's a weird color. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to put it in the little capsule. May have to put it in the microwave again, but we're gonna see. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. The only downfall that I will say about this so far is that you have to be like lightning fast for this to work successfully, because the wax and the balm starts to dry very quick. Now we're gonna put the other lipstick. Oh gosh, I did have to heat it back up, you guys. Our last tube that we have. Do this with a napkin or a paper towel if you can, because I know I'm graceful. And I'm just going to pour it in. Ooh, look at that. That looks so fancy. This took, what, maybe 5 minutes altogether to make 4 chapsticks, which is pretty awesome. Well, guys, that is it. And I would actually say that this thing works. It's awesome. I would highly recommend that you guys try it. It's super cute. The company name again is Balm Diggity Lips DIY Balm Kit, and it is awesome. This was so much fun. It was really easy to use. It had everything I needed. It's even pretty cool because the balm inside can actually be melted multiple times. So if you don't get it right the first time or the second time or maybe the third or fourth, you can still melt these, which is nice. And I still have extra, so if I wanted to make more or maybe put a little bit more cherry in there or a little bit of lipstick shaving, I could totally do that to make it a little bit more of a red color versus like a peachy cream color. I also like the fact that it came with label makers. So if you guys noticed, it has the Balm Diggity Lips label right here. So if you're wanting to maybe personalize this a little bit more, you could totally do that before putting it on the actual chapstick itself. The only downfall that I will say is, it melts really fast. So me doing this video in my room and then having to go to the microwave so many times, I actually had to melt these probably about 2 or 3 times, try to get back here to turn on the camera, get it all together, and then melt it. So I just wanted to let you guys know that if you're doing this from one room to another, it may dry really quick and you may have to put it in the microwave, but don't worry, the company says that you can melt them multiple times. I put them all in the freezer for 10 minutes. You can do 10 minutes in the freezer or 45 minutes on the counter, but I am just like, no, I want to use them immediately, and I put them in the freezer, and they feel amazing. Hold please. But that is it, guys. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel. Also make sure that you hit the notification bar down below so you know when I upload a new video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!
You are the stranger